Lloyd, easy ka lang. Kanina I was reminded by yung reflection sa scripture kanina. Na-remind ako. Sabi niya, if you're feeling anxious, you're living in the future. Na-anxious ka, kinakabahan ka mapakali, diba? Hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawin mo because you're living in the future. If you're feeling depressed naman daw, nalulungkot ka, lugmok ka, you're living in the past. So what should we do para hindi tayo maging depressed and maging anxious? We live at the present moment. Ano yung nasa harap natin? Tayo mga traders, ganyan eh. Diba? We trade what is in front of us. Kung na-stop loss ka kahapon, na-stop loss tayo kahapon, na-stop loss ako kahapon, it's okay. We live at the present moment. Ano yung opportunity niya? Meron ulit ako ngayon. Ano yung ibibigay ulit sa akin ni Tipay ngayon? Meron bang setup? Wala. It's okay. I'm willing to wait. Ngayon, kung kinakabahan ka naman, you're feeling anxious, maybe kasi ina-anticipate mo na, ano kaya, magpapump kaya si gold? Magdadump kaya mamaya pag New York session? Hindi natin makokontrol yun eh. Diba? So as traders, we just trade what is in front of us. May setup ba or wala? Pag walang setup, manahimik. Pag may setup, is it an A+ setup? Gusto ko bang pasukin? Yes or no? Pag sinabi mong yes, okay, nasa ng entry, nasa ng TP, nasa ng SL. Tapos, and then let the market do its thing.